Cincinnati on track 1, train number 26, the Powhatan Arrow.
Welch, this stop, Welch.
Watch the step, please. Have a nice day. You too. Actually, welcome aboard. Ticketed passengers only. Let me help you with your baggage.
Thank you.
Now departing for Norfolk on track 1, train number 26, the Powhatan Arrow.
Step right this way. Watch the step, please.
Whoa, thanks.
Now we'll shut it off. And then we'll put the smoke in. That. All right. This is when it's in neutral. It'll continue to smoke. You control how much it smokes from underneath the tender. Gonna let it smoke out for now. And then I will flip it over and show you what the bottom looks like. You got a bell. You got whistle. This has Protosound 2.0.
Now arriving from Cincinnati
You can
on
make
track
crew
1,
talk.
train number 26, the Powhatan Arrow.
Alright. Now, I'm going to shut her down here. Unplug. Push down. And as you can see, right there's two switches, the screw switches. One is for the volume and one is for smoke. And you can plug it in to charge up the battery inside. But this does run off of track power. The battery is for when you shut off the controller. The sounds will continue to go for a little bit. And there she is. The engine hasn't had much use to it. Looks brand new. Smoke's great. Lights in the front. Great piece.